Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about bull flag and bear flag trading patterns. Basically, I will show you what to look for and how to trade these patterns effectively. So if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to learn more about day trading, please subscribe as I post new videos each week. So what is a bull flag? A bull flag is a trading pattern that forms on a stock that has an uptrend and an increased volume that is higher than usual. The first part of the bull flag to look out for will be the formation of the flagpole, as you can see here on this stock. And generally speaking, the larger the flagpole usually indicates a better chance of a larger breakout on a bull flag pattern. The next formation to look for is a consolidation of the stock price on light volume, which creates the flag, as you can see here. And note that there is an obvious descending trend line, as you can see here. And the price will usually trend between this channel here, which is the flag. When entering the stock for a long position, you will want to look for the first candle to make a new high and break consolidation of the descending trend line, which you can see here at $3.48. And you can see that the price continues up to a new high of $3.85 up here. I generally aim to enter the trade when the stock breaks out on increased volume and then continues the upward momentum. Now, it is really important that there is an increase in volume when using this pattern, as it will give a better chance of a successful breakout. Now, just in case the bull flag fails to follow this pattern, make sure you close out your order at your stop, which should be just below the lowest point of consolidation, which would be about here at $3.20. If the price does drop to the stop order and keeps going down, it will be confirmation that the bull flag has failed to work. I personally use the bull flag pattern on small cap stocks that have a news catalyst and above average volume. So let's now talk about the bear flag. A bear flag is basically a bull flag that is upside down, and it can be a good pattern to watch if you want to short a stock. It will present itself during a downward trend of a stock that has had a relatively large move down on high volume. And this is a good example here on this stock. As you can see, the stock has moved down and there has been an increase in volume here. So as you can see here, there is a large move down, which creates the pole. Then there will be a period of consolidation on a lighter volume where the share price recovers slightly on an increasing upward trend line, as you can see here. And this forms the flag. When the price breaks the upward trend line and the first candle to make a new low occurs, which happens here at $5.80, this would be where you short the stock. And you can see that the stock continued its downward trend to $5.26 on this candle here. So you look for the break of the trend line, which is here, and the first candle to make a new low, which is here, and an increase in volume. Now remember to have a stop order just above the highest point of consolidation, which would be about here at $6.30, just in case the bear flag fails to execute. So some things to remember if you are using a bull flag or bear flag pattern when trading. The stock needs to be going in the correct trend line for the pattern to work. For example, if you are trading a bull flag setup with a long position, the stock needs to be in an upward trend, as you can see here on this chart. And if you are trading a bear flag setup with a short position, the stock needs to be in a downward trend, as you can see here on this chart. So I tend to look for stocks with high relative volume, as it is more likely that the pattern you are looking at will work out, as more people will be watching the stock for the same patterns and entry points. And just remember that low volume stocks don't usually respond very well to most trading patterns. So next, if you want to trade these patterns, I recommend that you keep notes of your rules for trading a bull flag or bear flag, so you can stick to your strategy. And then I recommend using a paper trading account or a simulator so you can test and refine the strategy without losing money. And once you can prove that it works in a simulator, it will help remove any emotion when you start trading real money, and in turn will make you a better trader. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions regarding this video, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe.